Hi everyone, it's Olga. Welcome back to Planner 5D YouTube channel. Today I'm super excited to show you how to create an amazing mood board on Planner 5D Pro. Whether you're a professional designer looking to impress their clients or just a daydreaming home renovator who wants to collect all their ideas in one space, this video is for you. Let's get started. First, let's talk about problems a mood board can solve. Here are 4 options. Stay focused, define your style, communicate your ideas, and to play around different options. You can find images of furniture you want to add on Pinterest or other sources, but if you want to combine them on one space, a mood board of Planner 5D is the place where you can do that. Let's see how it works. Open the mood board page. Here you will see 6 templates, but I'll talk about them a little bit later. For now, click on New Mood Board to start from scratch. At the bottom, you'll see the toolbar. What do we have here? Upload images, preferably PNG or JPEG. Shapes, text, draw, arrow, frame, sticker, highlighter. Let me show you a small example of how it works. Let's create a mood board for modern bathroom. Upload your pre-selected images and arrange them for a better composition. Add stickers or arrows if you want to highlight something. Create a color palette for consistency. And there you have it. Your mood board is ready. Later, I'll show you the expert options to share your project with a client. If you don't want to start from scratch, use templates. How can they help you? Let me break it down. Saving time. When you have a template and pre-structured format, it's much more easier to create a project, so you don't waste any time. Consistency. Templates are providing the unique style of your whole presentation. Clarity. A template provides a clear vision of your project, your key elements, themes, and many other details. So it's much more easier to perceive your project. Inspiration. Templates are a fantastic starting point for creativity. They help you explore different design ideas and brainstorm. Using templates can make your work smoother and more efficient. Let's see how it works. For now, you can find 6 templates: warm boho, pastel, bright luxury, earth tones, golden blue, and modern industrial. Choose the one that fits your style or purpose best. Once you've selected a template, duplicate it, you can customize it to your liking. Change the color palette of background. Delete any objects that don't suit your vision. For example, if you want to see a different sofa and chairs, simply replace them with new ones. Add new elements as needed. Adjust the layers by bringing items to the front or sending them to the back. Rename your mood board. Using templates is much more faster and easier, especially if you are new to mood board creation. The last step is exporting your mood board. Here are your free export options. PNG. Best for high-quality images with transparent backgrounds, perfect for web design and presentations. PDF. Ideal for documents that need to be printed or reviewed as a whole, ensuring all design elements stay intact and correctly formatted. Link. Great for interactive or dynamic content, allowing viewers to engage with the design in a web-based format that can be updated in real time. Both PDFs and links can include comments and annotations, making it easier to gather feedback from clients and team members. This helps streamline the revision process and ensures all feedback is centralized and organized. To export, find the Export button at the top right corner. Hover over it and choose your preferred option. And there you have it. Now you are ready to create and share your stunning mood board with ease. Okay, that's it. I hope you enjoyed it and found some useful tips. In the description below, you will find a link to the web version, and you may start your free free 7-day trial to try it yourself. Let us know in the comments which template do you like the most, and hit the subscribe button, like this video, and see you next time. Bye!